Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today what I'm doing is making a DIY Disney autograph book. A picture of when my child meets that character with it on the exact same page. Now if it signs it in the exact middle, I may have to do smaller pictures, and I guess I want to figure out what order we kind of want to do it in, but I don't think it really matters as long as I feel like Mickey Mouse is the first page, right? Because I feel like that has to happen like that. But yeah, so I'd like to have a 4x6 picture and then their signature below that. But again, I don't know how big they're going to sign it, but typically if you get those autograph books, they're like the size of a 4x6 picture, so there's no room for a picture and the autograph because they take up the whole thing. So here are the materials you need to have. Again, now you can make it a couple different ways. This is the easiest way I have found that does look really, really good. So I've got this sketchbook. So now it's hardcover and it's already black. And on the inside you have really good quality cardstock paper that shouldn't bleed through. So if you just get regular paper, it may bleed through. So, and there's lots and lots of pages, and I want it to be one for just both of my kids to use. And that way, you know, Caitlin can use it for now, and if she gets over that, then Blakely can use it. And hopefully, I'm not really going to get every single character. We are not in, so we are not in the plan of having every single character. We just thought it'd be fun to kind of start doing that, because I never did it as a kid. So this is the one I'm going to try to use and see how that works. If not, I'll just buy an actual autograph book when I'm down there. Okay, so next thing I'm going to need is I want to decorate the front, because this is pretty much ready to go. Now, I don't know if I should like make a line here to be like, okay, I want a picture here and the signature here. But yeah, I don't know. I don't think I'm going to go through that and do that. I'm just going to hope that they're going to sign it towards the bottom. Or here's, you know, here I'm hoping. I hope they don't just go like across the middle. But they might do that. So I may try to look and see if I might frame out a little bit. So that way it'd be a little bit better. So it does tell us the dimensions on here, which is 8.5 by 11. Yeah. So you should have plenty of room to do a 4x6 and a image. Okay, so I want to decorate the front, and look at these great napkins I found at Walmart for like $1.97. Now, of course, they're a whole pack of napkins. I just need probably one. So I'm going to cut out the Mickey, or I could actually do the whole thing, which doesn't look bad actually. And then, because I was going to cut it out and then tape it, and then glue it, but there's a chance I could mess it up, and so I may actually just do the whole thing. I think it actually looks good. So that's what I'm going to do. Now, yeah, so I'm just going to glue it on the front. Just, you know, cut up the napkin, just cut on the front. Super, super easy. Now, when you're doing this though, if you have Mod Podge, again, I'm not a huge crafter, but if you have Mod Podge to go over top of it, it would make it probably secure more. There's a good chance it won't necessarily stay, but the good news is, have a whole packet of them, so I'm going to use it and put it on there for during our trip, which is we're getting ready to leave for that. And if it comes off over there, again, no worries, I will hold on to some of these and then just buy me some Mod Podge, because really what you should do is put down like hot glue on the bottom, put it on there, and then do Mod Podge all over the top to kind of help it to stick. So that's really the best way. And now also, of course, when you get Disney World characters who sign your book, they must sign it in with permanent marker. So I do have these, as well as I do have some regular Sharpies, but I saw these and they were so cute. They're like these metallics. So you got silver, gold, like a pink, and then a blue. Those are super, super pretty. So I want to take those as well and see how that works. All right, let's get this done. here's the finished product. I think it turned out pretty good considering that the book itself was from Walmart for $8.95, so I know that is a little bit expensive, but it is a good quality book. The napkins are $1.97 and the Sharpie markers are like $4. And so what I decided to do is, again, I put the napkin on here. It really turned out good, and from a distance you can't tell, but on the edge, I mean, I'm not perfect. So if you had a straight edge, or if you're really good at cutting, but they're napkins, so they kind of rip as you go. But I do think it turned out really good. And then I thought it needed something, so I do not have the best handwriting, but in cursive, most things look good. So I used my silver Sharpie to write autographs in cursive. Well, whenever I did it, there's a little bit of space on this side because you don't really know how far it's going to take you because you're just freehanding it. And I was like, well, this is going to be Disney. What if I write Disney really cool on the side? So super love it. Disney autographs, and we're going to start with Mickey Mouse here on this one. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit like and subscribe so you never miss an episode, and don't forget our Disney World vlogs that are coming up because we leave tomorrow. Oh my goodness. And so my next video is actually going to be what I am packing for Disney World. I know I've done one in the past, but I always find it really fun to do. So thank you so much for watching. God bless, be adventurous, and I'll see you next time. Bye.